What's good, Mogulz Fam? And I'm back with another banger. So namhlanje, excuse me, ngizobe ngenza i-weekly forecast for ama-event this week, starting from Monday. So akusona isikhathi, akuso sonke isikhathi la khona ubona ukuthi wonke ama-event lawa avelayo uzowa-trade. There are specific events lawa abalekile which will move the markets ngale ndlela le e-positive ezokwenza ukuthi nawe wenze imali. So abantu kumele babe cautious ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi amaphi ama-event abawenzayo. So na kuleli sonto nje it's only two that I recommend, this one and this one, two kuphela. Wonke lamanye hayi awamove ngaleyo ndlela. So guys, especially nje le abantu nje bangalali abantu abangalali guys. So ngolesithathu we gonna make money, nangolesine yeah, it's good. Yeah, yona izonyakaza ukuthi nje ayifani the out in interest rates, yabo. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment bafethu, and asenze imali bafethu. Kuntswempu nje South Africa, kuntswempu, asenze imali, siphushane senze imali. Yebo lonto yonto ebalekile. Once umasterisha i-strategy, ungabusabuyele emuva, qhubeka uphushe into yakho, uyiphushe. Focus. Once you make money with Forex, then invest it in business. That's the most important thing. Once uyenza imali. So I just wanted to give you a weekly forecast, and then yeah, let's get it.